Hello everyone, it's good to be back once again. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can make increase in your business and career. Without increment in your business and career, it can make the business and the career to collapse. And that is why you need this that I'm going to talk about. Number one, you need to be creative. You need to come up with a new thing in a new dimension. And that is why those who have been going for training, they have been coming with something new. Before, when they attend to customer with a smile, they will tell the customer, what can we do for you? But now they will say with a smile, how may we help you? You have come up with a new idea in your service. So also, are you a manufacturer or a producer? Whatever you are producing or you're manufacturing, make sure that you are able to produce or manufacture something in different ways. Maybe you add a different spices, different colors, different shapes, and different packs for each product. This will make cause an increase of customers, cause an increase of sales because there are different varieties. Number three is for you to be able to discover a new location where your services and products are needed and they have benefits for the people in that area. Because one thing I want you to know, for you to be able to experience increase, your products and your services must be able to solve people's problem to an extent. When you are able to achieve this, it will cause more customers for you, more sales for you. With this, my 3 points, I hope you are able to learn one or two things from it. Number one, be creative. Number two, make sure that you are able to have different varieties on the same product that you are producing and manufacturing. Also, discover a new location. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day. Bye.